The automotive world wept in 2023 when Ford officially killed off the global production of the legendary Fiesta to free up factory space for electric SUVs. It was supposed to be the definitive end of an era, but look across the internet and a massive wave of concepts, speculative reviews, and leaked designs have single-handedly manifested a 2026 model year into existence. While Ford hasn't actually put an internal combustion Fiesta back on the assembly line, the community refuses to let the greatest pocket rocket of all time rest in peace. Welcome back to DRX AUTO MOBI. Today, we're breaking down what a theoretical 2026 Fiesta ST brings to the table and the real-world EV future Ford is secretly cooking up. If you dive into the speculative 2026 concept blueprints floating around, the hypothetical Fiesta Street clings proudly to its enthusiast roots. It builds on the final generation's recipe, imagining an optimized 1.5-liter EcoBoost turbocharged 3-cylinder engine cranked up past 200 horsepower and 214 pound-feet of torque. True to form, it's envisioned strictly with a crisp, short-throw 6-speed manual transmission sending power to the front wheels, backed by an aggressive cylinder deactivation system to conserve fuel when you aren't laying down rubber. Visually, the internet's vision for the 2026 Street pushes Ford's kinetic design language into the cyber era. It pairs a massive, lower, gloss black, hexagonal honeycomb grille with razor-thin LED light blades stretching across the front fascia. To make it drive like a proper street, it would lean heavily on a trick torque vectoring system by automatically dragging the inner front brake during high-speed cornering. The system pivots the car into apexes like a legitimate slot car, completely eliminating front-wheel drive understeer. While you can't walk into a Ford dealership and buy a brand-new petrol-powered 2026 Fiesta Street, the fact that the community keeps designing, rendering, and dreaming about this car proves its legacy is completely untouchable. Whether it's an internal combustion garage build or the highly anticipated 2028 electric rebirth, the Saint spirit is alive and well. Would you take a gamble on a future electric street, or are you holding on to your petrol hatchbacks forever? Let us know down below. Smash that like button, subscribe to DRX AUTO MOBI, and we'll see you in the next one.